So hey everyone, and in this video I will be unboxing the X-Man Tornado V2. So let's start. Okay, so as not many of you will know, this is my first flagship cube, and yeah, I'm very excited as you can tell as you will. Okay, so I brought a scissor and let's start unboxing it. Oh, this actually looks pretty premium. Let's get this out of the frame. Okay, let's unbox this. And would you look at that? Okay, so the cube comes in this very nice box. Really like the design of the box. But first let's look at the accessories. Very premium look feeling box. Okay, get this out of here and let's this. Okay, so now this is the accessories box, I'm guessing. And yeah, and this comes with the introductory card, a stylish introductory card, a pamphlet on how to solve the cube, and instructions on how to set up the cube. I'll get to that in a moment. The how to set up the cube. This is the manual. This is the cloth with which I'll wipe off the lube. This is the bag. Oh, it feels really nice. Like it does not feel like a typical cube bag, but it feels really nice, and it is centered, thankfully. And this is the screwdriver. Let's be honest, everyone is excited for the screwdriver. Subscribe. This is the exciting stuff. I have heard that you can set up this cube in 125 different ways, which is quite a lot. Yeah, this is all the settings. But let's start with the cube. I am getting excited. Okay, how to open this box? Okay. Oh, let's take out the cube. Rip off the plastic. Okay. Nah. Okay. Okay. So let's do the first turns. Okay, I need to wipe off the lube. Pretty nice cloth. Nice texture. Yes, I'm amazed by everything. Oops. Sorry. Okay, so now that's done. Oh my god. What the hell? This is actually really nice if you can't tell from my voice. It is a little bit uncontrollable for me at the moment, so I will try tightening it up a bit. And it actually glides like, oh, and look at its sound. Like it doesn't even produce that much sound. Okay, I'm getting used to it. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's a little fast right now. Yes, definitely, it's a little fast right now for me. So let's get on with the corner cutting. Less than 45, not more than 45 at the moment, though it will be if I tighten it up a bit, I think. And corner cutting, not line to line, but a little less than that. So pretty average corner cutting, not gonna lie. but still this actually feels really cool. And I'll get on with the setup. Like, okay, so you can adjust the magnet strength, and I will be talking about that in the review, so be tuned for that. So that is it for the video. Thanks.